Welcome back. Are you ready to explore amazing free Google AI tools? Let's dive into the final 3 that can replace costly software. First up is Gemini Canvas. This tool seamlessly turns documents into presentations. Just upload your document and say, "Create a presentation from this document with visuals." Gemini finds key points and designs a slide deck. It's not just text, it's a professional presentation with images. Perfect for business plans, reports, pitch decks, training materials, and client presentations. Export everything directly to Google Slides when you're finished. Next, we have Gemini Image Generation. Describe your desired image, like, create a matte black water bottle on a desk beside a laptop. In seconds, Gemini produces high-quality images. Create product mock-ups, marketing graphics, social media content, website images, and presentation visuals, all without expensive design software. Finally, let's look at multi-speaker audio generation from Google AI Studio. Paste your dialogue script, assign different voices, and let it generate. For example, one can sound skeptical, while another is enthusiastic. The outcome resembles a natural conversation, complete with human-like voices and smooth pacing. Ideal for podcasts, YouTube videos, audiobooks, training content, and marketing audio. That wraps up our list of 7 free Google AI tools. You can build apps, automate tasks, create engaging media, and produce top-quality audio, all for free. Subscribe to AI VIRA for more insights on AI tools and future tech content. See you in the next video.